everyone, it's that time of year again where we're making hardtack so we can enjoy one of the best snacks that was out there on the Oregon Trail. It's really delicious. Let's make it. Have a standard recipe. This one is by Food Storage Moms. It's 3 cups white flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 cup water. Get all of your supplies gathered together and be ready to make it. Preheat your oven to 375. Measure out the 3 cups of flour. There's our flour all ready to go. Next, we're adding 2 teaspoons of salt. And the last ingredient is 1 cup of water. Once you have all of the ingredients inside of your bowl, go ahead and stir it up. You may have to add a little bit of water if it's a little too thick, so let's wait and see if we have to do that. So right away you can tell this is pretty thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of extra water. You don't want to add too much because you do want it to be pretty thick. That's looking pretty good. Nice. Make sure you have a clean surface and be ready to start to knead the dough. So add a little, like a half handful of flour to get started. When you're kneading dough, you just want to go ahead and push in with the palm of your hand, the back palm, and turn it, and do it again, and keep going until you get a nice solid piece of the mixture. Here we go. It's looking good. Just turn it, a little more flour on the back, and knead. All right, that's looking good. Don't really want it to be too sticky, so see how it's sticking in my hand? I might add just a smidge more flour. Okay, here's how that's looking now. Much better, not sticky at all, and looks like it's ready to go. Okay, now that you have your big blob of hardtack, let's roll it out. Just about a 1/2 inch thick. Transfer the hardtack over to an ungreased cookie sheet. Cut up your crackers. Just thinking that they're turning into crackers, just little strips at first, and then squares or rectangles, triangles if you want to get creative. Next, take the back of I use a spoon and jab these crackers. Make little holes in them. This is the best part. You have all of your crackers ready. Go ahead and put them in the oven and bake for at least 45 minutes. All right, it's been almost 45 minutes and they look so good. You want to make sure they're hard to touch. So these are all really hard, which is the sign of good hardtack. Enjoy a bite with some butter on top. It's so good. Happy hardtack.